Hello everyone, welcome to Virtually Unfiltered. I am Prajwal.
I'm Kaveri.
Today we are going into the mystery world of Kaveri. We don't know what is coming out of the bag. I don't know what she is gonna talk today. After the flying cockroaches, it could be anything. So please, over to Kaveri. Yeah.
Now, this is going to be a very serious topic. It's exact opposite to that.
Yeah, hey, I took cockroaches very seriously, After the
No.
episode, I killed a few. So,
Oh, then it was worth it. The episode was worth it.
yeah.
No, but today
Okay.
we're going to be talking about God.
Okay.
Yes. So
I think with all the beautiful things happening in my life, I would be for God.
Oh.
So opposition, anything you should take. I'll be Bhagavanta. I am
No,
in general a Bhagavanta.
So it's not just about God, purpose of life,
Mhm.
all of that we'll talk later. But in general,
Mhm.
two things which I want to kind of see is one, do you think like if all these religions and if the God idols weren't there, would you believe God existed? First is that.
Oh.
And second,
Kaveri has decided we have to be cancelled. For 158 subscribers who are watching us, so they should feel offended and we should start from beginning. Kaveri wants, okay. Yeah, continue.
Why
Please finish
though?
the question.
I mean, I'm curious to know whether I would believe. I don't really know. I've never thought about it. That's why.
Mm.
So that's one. And second is, why do you think God doesn't talk to us? Why don't we get to talk to Him like we talk to other
No,
humans?
few people have God talking to them. Demands are looking for them. No, okay. Jokes apart. So what was
Yeah.
your first question? I forgot with all my dialogues.
Listen now. So basically, if there were no idols, and it was like basically why I'm saying is, of course, I believe in my religion, all of those things. People have their own religions. That's totally good. Like, no problems. I'm not against anyone because I believe. But I'm just like at that point, because from Stone Age point of view, I'm saying, no one wrote the scriptures and there were no idols and there were no stories written. It's not even that it never happened. I'm like, assume it happened, but no one wrote it down. So it never got forwarded down history this much, where it is a religion, people believe in these gods, that gods. What would life look like? Would we believe there is a God? Would we all be atheists? Would we, I don't know, create our own gods? What do you think would happen?
No, I think this is a very hypothetical to the power
Yes.
n kind of a question.
It's
So
the
this is
same
not even
as
just hypothetical.
war only. Tell
No, because see, war can happen. You are seeing the war actually happening.
Yeah.
No, but you assuming that from before, if there is no God, the whole concept of God you are not exposed to, that is actually an extreme hypothetical situation, right? Like, because Ramayana and all, we believe that has happened. This is not like an imaginary story or something.
Yes.
This was something
Yeah,
which
yeah.
has happened in different yugas. So they existed. That's why it has flown down. But I think it's very difficult to answer, but I would go with an answer where I would have still maybe believed there is some power. Like, for example, if things are happening good, if things are happening bad, I would have still wanted someone to thank to and someone to pray for. So even
someone
though
to
if there is
scold.
no idol,
Yeah.
I think at this point I am at the beg and mercy of God only. I don't really have the power to scold them back because, but I feel I would still want some power, some believe in something where, okay, if something is happening that is not actually in my hand. There are a lot of situations which actually do not exist in your hand. So those kind of things you always get to. I think again, if we have an atheist, he'll have a completely different belief. I think atheist
Correct,
would be a better
yeah.
person to answer because he
Correct,
still
correct.
thinks that nothing
No, I
doesn't
want this
exist.
to be between like people who believe in God, because I think they will give a
Yeah.
completely different perspective. We don't have people to
Yeah.
talk about that, but yeah.
So, but I think when I had spoken to few atheists also, they also believe in some power, but they don't really
Yes.
believe in the
Yes.
God, the idols and stuff. So when you believe in some power, I think I would also be the same. I would believe in some power. I would actually, the hope for me to survive another day with all the problems which I cannot control comes from that hope, from that power. So for me, it would still be the same. I think, again, now different options are there with respect to different problems, different gods and all. That might not be there in that situation. But I
Yeah.
think I would still be a believer, I think. I think
Yeah.
because since it's an hypothetical, I can only answer it hypothetically, because you need some power to actually feel like, oh, things would be okay eventually. Without that, I think it feels very hard to like, oh, this is gonna be like this only. It will be like, oh, let me go only. What is the point of living? So the whole that power actually would give you that push to continue is what I feel. What about you?
So first thing before anything is why I got this question is this is I don't remember, there's a guy, okay, he is an atheist, and he brought up the scenario where there are scientific studies that go through and science that have come through, and the other side is where religion. So he believes that all the scientific studies would still be the same even if we went back to Stone Age and the process started all over again. The scientific science would still be the same, but religion would not be the same. And he's like, gods would be totally different from what it is now. We don't really know because there's no like proven things. Yes, we have a lot of things like in across all gods, there are proven things that are written is what is there. But Andre, how do I say? Today we cannot do any scientific experiment to be like, okay, God is here, right? Which makes sense to me. Yeah. So this was
Okay.
where I was like, okay, hypothetical, what could be the scenario?
I think my friend had mentioned one experiment where he converted from atheist to a believer. So there is one
Ooh,
science
okay.
experiment where light passes through something and then
Oh, this is
like-
quantum physics. Yes.
something
yeah.
that actually has no explanation in science.
Yes.
So then he
Correct.
said there has to be some power which is
Power,
actually making
yes.
it do that. So
But that
Yes,
according
sir.
to that, we are the power because it's based on who watches it. The entire science experiment is based on the observer. So
no, but I
does
still
that mean
feel
we are
then
God?
there is some mystery, then there is some magic hidden with that. Like again,
Yeah.
science itself says there is no mystery, there is no magic.
Yes.
There is
Correct,
always a perfect logical. So if we both assume all the parameters are the same, assume that you are thinking, my thinking is colliding at that point of time, still we might see things differently. So there is certain kind of mystery associated. So my friend was
Yes.
telling, I don't know. I think there is an experiment name also
It's
for that. There is a
the-
video he was measuring.
That slit experiment, right? Laser light
yeah,
passing
something
through
like
a
that,
slit.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So he was telling that. So then
Wave theory
I think,
versus particle
there
theory.
is some explanations with respect to that, and I am
Yes.
somebody who believes in magic. I am somebody who
Yes.
believes in miracle.
Same. Yes.
So for me, I am like, there is existence. I think without that also, I would still be like, oh, there is somebody, there is existence, there is some power which actually comes through that. Like, and again, I think there are why a certain thing happen a certain way. There is no explanation. I think you can bring in some mathematical, scientific
Correct,
nonsense,
scientific.
but I still see. I think eventually it's there, but again. This question is extremely hypothetical, so
Correct.
it's difficult to assume probably, oh, if it is not there, what could have happened? But yeah, again, I would still be a believer even in that scenario.
Yeah.
I think that's how it started, right? Few of the religions started by people only. See, we believe in certain gods where they were God before they had powers and all. Few of the people started their own religion. So I think that answers your questions where for few of the religions, nothing was written before. There were no
Correct.
gods which were there before. That was, they started it. So I think people would start it.
Yes. It would
Because
be
they
complete
need
different
some
set of
power.
ones.
They-
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
we have that, right? I think Jainism is that, Buddhism
correct.
is that, where like people won't started their own religions, right? So they
Yes,
are
yeah.
again. So to
Yeah.
answer your question, it's already there.
Yes. But I think
People need that power to go through.
now I'm just like, would there still be like all this divide among people? Because I feel like a lot of people divide themselves based on religions. What if it
Yeah,
was
I
not
think,
written?
No, see, I'll take two religions only. Then it should have been one religion created by one man, rest all written by written in Stone Age with all the gods, right? Why do we have man created
So
multiple
many.
religions?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because we
people,
believe
if
in
they
different
have-
principles. all those things.
You
Yeah,
want
yeah.
to believe a certain thing, a certain power says, okay, that is okay. And someone else says that is not okay. That's where the divide comes in.
Correct.
But I think it's all people who choose. Again, not cult. Like there are different cults, different followers of different people also, for example.
Correct.
That
correct.
also, there could be one person then. If
Hmm.
religion is actually bringing in the divide, then it should be one
Yes.
person.
Hmm.
You have multiple gurus, multiple things, then it's not basically just the religion, it's beyond that.
Yeah. So basically, we would be in the same exact situation, but with maybe different names at the most. Nothing more.
Yeah,
I think.
different names,
Yeah, and different
followings,
figures,
different
yeah.
principles a little bit.
Yes.
But
yeah.
I think overall, when you take an average of the scenario, I think it would be still the same.
Same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we came back. We went a circle and came back to the same point.
No, I always was here. You went and came back. I always said beginning, I am the believer. You had
Yeah,
one
yeah.
more question
No,
also,
I think
no?
yeah. The second one is more of like, why do you think we can't talk to God? Like I'm just saying, this kind of comes in principle with not remembering things that happened in our past and all of those things. Yeah, but basically, my perspective. Okay, so God is kind of considered like a parent. He like God loves
Okay.
everyone. Correct. That's
Okay,
all.
huh?
Like everyone believes that. Even people who are atheists believe that there is a higher power which treats everyone equally. Correct. So why is God not coming into picture when you're going through a very horrible time? Like
Okay.
some signs, some way to talk. Why do you think we can't talk to him? Or
No,
I don't know
think
how else to put it. Yeah.
talking part, I think there is science, right? I have felt it. It's not direct communication of, hey Praju, what's up? Yeah, what are you doing today? It's not that communication
Yeah.
which is happening, but there is science. So
Like-
when, like, I think I was struggling with the job. I did all my work. I did not get it. Then I did my deed, and I believed. And then I think giving job was God's way of communicating with me, saying, "Yeah, I am there for you."
No, but there was, see, I'm coming from that perspective where there was a period that you're just like, what do I do in my life anymore? Like, you're in that, you feel the lowest. And that's where, God could have been like, just hold on, it's coming. It's some way.
No, I think-
Why not?
I think that's what happened, and that's what keeps on happening. But again, this brings back to the question: like, if that is true, then why there is poverty in world?
Yeah, that is
So again,
another.
this is
I
a
have
much
other more
deeper-
questions
Huh.
related to this.
That's a much deeper thing. But with my personal experience, I always feel, and again, when you say God is our parent, everybody is their kid, then assume there are billions of kids. Like till the moment they reached us, it took time. That was the time of our struggle. The moment it reached us, then we got the pala. That's what I feel. There are billions of kids. Like at the same time, giving everybody would be difficult. Because for me, I feel I have been able to communicate, and I have been getting signals with respect to certain things. And certain things, when I don't get a signal, I feel like, okay, maybe this is not happening. But I feel that's what there is some. And obviously, I think there can't be direct communications in a way. People who try
Why
to
though?
do it, I feel they are a little cuckoo.
No.
How?
Why though? I mean,
There-
why?
you don't
Like,
really see. How do you actually plan to communicate with him? With the STD,
don't know.
IST caller?
I
Huh?
wish there was. It would be so much fun.
No, this is more of a hope than this is a guarantee, right? That's where I feel God is in. It's not a guarantee. Because a lot of people, lot of things will not work out for them. It's not a guarantee. It is meant to be, is what I feel. So this is more of a hope. So when you can call, you will ask, hey, why not? Why it is not, why will I not get it?
Correct.
So it's not a guarantee. I don't believe it's a guarantee. And I don't
Yeah.
think so. In a way, we are entitled to certain things. Like we feel in that way, everybody would want to live like Ambani, right?
I'm not saying, see, I am not asking him to give everything we ask. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just like, be there as a friend, no? Like, personally for me, I try to create my own signs being like, oh, 11, 11, oh, 333. Means God is talking through this thing. But I don't feel like, okay, like if you are in a very bad state, you're struggling. Yes, there many times they say God put you in this state so that you get out of it better. All of that true. But I don't think you think of all these positive scenarios when you're in the lowest point, right? So at that point, you could just, I don't know, like I know these are some small things which people believe. Okay, flower fell from when you put it to God. That means God is talking to you. So all those things, yes, but we made it. We don't really know if it is a communication or not. So yeah, but I mean,
No,
I'm
but-
just like, why not talk? Why not just be
No,
like,
but
I'm
I
there?
feel if you are a believer, then this signs also you should believe. That can't be picking and choosing, is what I personally feel. You believe in God, you believe that He is there for you, He would actually help you in certain way, then these signs are also His way of communicating with you. Is what I feel. You can't really choose a certain thing saying, and then this is like, oh, this is man-made. I don't think so. There is power there. And when you talk about the bad things also, you woke up next day with a hope that okay, things will be fine. Is again you are belief back in the God.
But that's
You
our
believe,
belief.
and that hope gives you.
That's just us. So
Why
we
do you
don't
think
really know
it's
God
just
is there.
your belief? Why don't you think God is actually putting
Excuse
that
me.
in you?
I never thought of that.
Yeah, I think it could be His way of giving that hope. Suddenly you wake up with a different energy. How? Again, people might not like who don't believe and all, but I
Yeah,
think
I
that gives
understand.
me little bit of peace of mind. It gives me, gives me a sleep at night. I feel I don't mind believing in that. I think your energy changes after a certain time without doing anything. How does that is happening? Who is giving you that power to do things?
Okay. A little
feel-
extra question I'll ask now. So does that mean there is
Okay.
free will or God is only doing everything?
It's a combination of both.
See, this is a very tricky thing to say.
Yeah.
You could just move it this side or this side based on your requirements.
No, but I feel it is God then. If you have
Okay.
to be on one side, it has to be God then. I believe that whatever is happening for good. And whenever there is a problem, you go towards the next day where you feel the things have been sorted out, and then you look back and say, oh, that is why this happened.
Yeah, that's most of
So
the situations.
when that is
yeah.
things happening, then I am like, it's God's will. If a certain thing happens a certain way, it has to be God's will. Because if it was my will, I would have not chosen those things for myself.
Yeah.
Just to say, I think it has to be God's plan. Certain things I was like, no, that I will not do, but I think it has to be God's plan.
So, in fact, this might be a very negative thing to bring in, but there is one last point which I'll bring in. Okay, no, the video is long enough. We will talk about this in another episode.
Yeah. I think we are promising 16, 17 minutes video. Please,
Yeah.
we'll try and stick to that.
Yes.
But yeah, do tell what you think.
Yes.
Do tell if it is a very silly thing to think like this. Tell us. I want to know if
Yeah,
people think like
yes.
that also. But yeah.
Yeah, I hope one person relates to us. That's yeah.
Yes.
Please let us know.
Relatability is what
We're looking for.
we are looking.
Yeah.
At this point, I'm very honest. We are doing it for ourselves. If you also enjoy, it's okay.
No,
But
we
yeah,
have
we
come
got
to the
one subscriber.
conclusion that right now.
Thank you. Thank you. We got 158.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Thank you.
totally.
Thank you. I've been
Thank
cribbing
you.
about 157 for a long time. 158 subscribers are there.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And
So
yeah,
that was
do tell
today's
us what
video.
you feel
Tell
and
us
all those
your
things.
thoughts.
Yes.
Does that make sense? Do these questions make sense? And put in your questions if you have any. Yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.